In this video, we will talk about environmental pollution, their causes and their effects. The phenomena of contamination of the physical and biological components in the earth or atmosphere system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected is called environmental pollution. The substances which are responsible for the pollution are called pollutants. They causes harmful effects or uneasiness in the organism. Pollution takes place when nature doesn't able to decompose an element that has been brought to it in an unnatural way. Pollution must be taken as seriously as it has negative effect on natural elements that are an absolute need for life to exist on the earth, such as water and air. There are causes of environmental pollution. They are industrial activities, vehicles, rapid urbanization and industrialization, population overgrowth, agricultural waste, and many more. Industrial activities. A rise of industrial revolution has been disturbed the ecological balances at a great extent. The pall of smoke, the swirling gases, use of fossil fuels in the industries, and random scientific experiments all are doing a great job in enhancement of air pollution. The improper disposal of industrial wastes are the sources of soil and water pollution. Chemical waste resulting from the industry pollutes lakes, rivers, and seas, and soil as well as releasing fumes. Vehicles. The smoke emitted by vehicles using petrol and diesel and the cooking coal also pollutes the environment. The multiplication of vehicles emitting black smoke that being free and unfettered spreads out and mixes with the air we breathe. The harmful smoke of these vehicles causes air pollution. Further, the sounds produced by these vehicles causes noise pollution. Rapid urbanization and industrialization. Rapid urbanization, industrialization, and advancement of technology are causing many problems for the mankind. Development of atomic power had created problems like radiation and disposal of atomic waste, which in turn causing harm to the animal kingdom and human lives. Population overgrowth. Population is increasing very fast at present, and the standard of living also rises as the time passes, and combined effects results in increase in the demand for clothing, shelter, and food. To satisfy their demands, they require more and more land for developing agriculture, industries, etc. The world has witnessed massive deforestation to expand absorb the growing population and their demands. Combustion of fossil fuels. The fossil fuels pollutes the air, the soil and the water with noxious gases such as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. The use of fossil fuels as raw materials, their transportation, and their methods of use all play a big role in air pollution. Agricultural waste. Use of science and technology in agriculture also created large number of connected problems like salination of soils, residual pesticides and insecticides. Dumping solid waste. Solid waste that cannot be recycled pollutes the environment when not disposed of properly. There are many effects of environmental pollution. The prime effects of environmental pollution are environmental degradation, human health, global warming, depletion of ozone layer, and infertile land. Environmental degradation. The increase in the amount of carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere leads to smog which restricts sunlight from reaching the earth, thus preventing plants in the process of photosynthesis. Gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide can cause acid rain. Water pollution in terms of oil spill may lead to death of several wildlife species. Negative impact on human health. The decrease in quality of air leads to several respiratory problems, including asthma or lung cancer. chest pain, congestion, throat inflammation, etc. Can be caused by air pollution. Water pollution may lead to skin related problems, and noise pollution leads to hearing loss, stress, and sleep disturbance. Global warming. The emission of greenhouse gases like chlorofluorocarbon, methane gas, carbon dioxide gas, etc. is leading to global warming. With the time, numbers of industries, vehicles, and other greenhouse gas sources is continuously increasing. Due to continuous deforestation, there are less trees than earlier to absorb them. Ultimately, these gases imparts in rise of temperature of the earth, which results in melting of polar ice and increases the sea level. Depletion of the ozone layer. Ozone layer stops ultraviolet rays from reaching the earth. Ultraviolet exposure in excess can lead to skin cancer. Due to release of CFCs and aerosols in the atmosphere, depletion of ozone layer occurs. This removes the sheet that protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays, which is more than just threatening. Infertile land. Constant use of pesticides, insecticides, and other chemicals causes the soil to become infertile. Soil is the major and in some cases the only source of nutrition for plants and vegetables. Importance of these can never be overstated, but due to infertile soil, plants will not be able to grow properly. Industrial waste also affects the fertility of the soil. Environmental pollution has negatively affected the life of both human beings and animals. Almost all of our gains in the fields of industrial progress, science, and technology had so far been realized at the cost of our health. Even our flora and fauna were found to be threatened with extinction. Environmental pollution is an incurable disease, it can only be prevented.